Today we will discuss about the porphyrins. Porphyrins are the important molecules. They are not found independently, but they are attached to the other important biomolecules such as hemoglobin, myoglobin, cytochrome C, cytochrome P450, catalase, tryptophan pyruvase. Hemoglobin is the important protein that transports the oxygen molecule and it forms 90% part of the red blood cells. Whereas myoglobin is the muscle protein. Cytochrome C participate in the electron transport chain, whereas cytochrome P450 participate in the detoxification process in the liver. Catalase participate in the detoxification of hydrogen peroxide, and tryptophan pyruvase is responsible for the oxidation of tryptophan amino acid. So there are some important proteins and they contain their central part, the porphyrin. The porphyrin actually is a cyclic compound which are formed by pyrrole. Four pyrrole are interconnected by a bridge of methylene, यानी methynyl bridge. Methynyl bridge interconnects four pyrrole ring and forms the simplest porphyrin, that is porphin. Porphin is generally found in all type of the porphyrin molecules. Generally in nature, the porphyrins are metalloporphyrins. They contain a metal ions which are trapped in the porphin nucleus. The metal ions vary according to the type of the porphyrins such as hemoglobin, myoglobin, cytochrome C, catalase. These contains iron which are trapped in the porphin molecule, whereas a well-known example is chlorophyll that contains magnesium. So most naturally occurring porphyrins are the metalloporphyrins. They contain metal ions in their central part. This is the structure of porphin. There is 8 hydrogen molecules which are outside, and all the porphyrins are the substituent of these hydrogen molecules. This functions as a side group, and this may be substituted by some other groups to create various type of the porphyrins. The Emil Fischer created a formula for the structure of the porphyrin and the side group such as A stands for acetate and P is for the propionate. These are the substituted group of the hydrogen atom in the porphin nucleus. So metalloporphyrins are important and functions in life-saving process in the nature. There are several biomedical importance of the porphyrins such as porphyria. Porphyria is a group of genetic diseases which are associated with the defective enzyme of the porphyrin biosynthesis, and they cause the accumulation of their previous product in the blood, and so different type of the porphyria is associated, but they contains several common symptoms such as photosensitivity or anemia. So porphyrins are so important in the biological function. They are easily determined and identified by their absorption capacity. They are active molecule and they show absorption spectra in visible light as well as in ultraviolet light. In the 5% solution of SCl, porphyrins are dissolved and show a band at 400 nm. 400 nanometer, they show their maximum absorption, and generally all the porphyrins which are containing substituted group so their absorption maximum at the 400 nm. So this is the common feature of the all type of the porphyrin, and this absorption band is known as Soret band. This is called Soret band on the basis of the scientist which discovered this absorption maximum of the porphyrin. In strong mineral acids, porphyrins are dissolved and are active at 400 nm and show deep red color fluorescence. They are fluorescence in nature and show deep red color in ultraviolet light when they are dissolved in the strong acid. So this photodynamic activity of the porphyrins are widely used in the medical sciences because they are used in the cancer phototherapy because they have the capacity to destroy the tumor cells. So another disease known as jaundice. Jaundice is also related to the porphyrin because jaundice occurs when the bile pigments which are stored in the gallbladder, they not properly released in the intestine and spread in the tissue from the liver. So they create yellowish skin, yellow eyes, and this condition is called as jaundice, and this is basically due to the dysfunction of the liver or obstruction in the bile duct. So bile is also produced by the degradation of the heme which is found in these proteins and contains porphyrin nucleus and iron atom. Generally, porphyrins are synthesized in the bone marrow. 85% part of the porphyrin is synthesized in the bone marrow, whereas 15% is synthesized in the liver, hepatocyte cells of the liver. So this is the biosynthetic pathway of the porphyrin, which starts from succinyl coenzyme and glycine. They condense to form alpha aminolipinic acid, ALA. The enzyme is ALA synthase. This enzyme is the rate limiting enzyme, and the activity of this enzyme is regulated by high concentration of the heme. If the heme concentration increases, the activity of this enzyme is decreased. But in case of the drug administration, the P450 is involved in the drug metabolism, and this increases the concentration of ALA synthase because the heme is utilized in the drug metabolism, and as the concentration of heme is decreases, the concentration of ALA synthase increases in the blood to fulfill the requirement of the heme molecule. ALA is converted into porphobilinogen by the enzyme ALA dehydratase. ALA dehydratase is important because it contains zinc atom in their active site, which is necessary for the activation of this enzyme. In the environment where lead is excess, then the zinc is replaced by the lead, and this enzyme is inactivated, and that is called the lead poisoning, which check the biosynthesis of the porphyrin. Porphobilinogen is converted into hydroxymethylene by the uroporphyrin first synthase, which is further converted into uroporphyrin third by the enzyme uroporphyrin third synthase. And this process is continued up to the protoporphyrin third. Protoporphyrin third is the precursor of the porphyrin, and after the entry of a metal ion by the chelatase enters the iron atom in the protoporphyrin and forms the heme molecule. So this is the synthetic pathway of the porphyrins. There is a difference in the porphyrins and these compounds. Porphobilinogen or porphyrinogen, these compounds are colorless, whereas porphyrins are colored. So porphyrin is an important molecule and that is the central part of the several proteins, generally animal proteins and mammals protein as well as in the plants. So this is the important molecule, but they are not directly introduced as a biomolecules because they are associated as a colored complex in the several proteins.